After an amazing time experiencing the awe-inspiring Hubbard Glacier, now we'll be heading south, docking tonight at Alaska's capital city, Juneau.
Where are you going? Where's there? 5, okay.
Yes, we're eating yet again tonight at the Moonlight Sonata restaurant. After dinner, I pop out on deck, and yes, it's still raining.
Oh well, welcome to sunny Juneau. As we come into dock, it is typically pouring down with rain.
And that's no surprise, as Juneau has on average 220 rainy days a year. So I think we'd pass on living there, and certainly not for anyone who suffers from rheumatism either. Why are Brits so obsessed with the weather? I think I know why. Oh well, time for breakfast before we disembark. I think it's here that we'll be doing most of our souvenir shopping, just to get out of the rain. Juneau's population of 31,000 folk is apparently declining, and I think the weather just may have something to do with it. Once again, we haven't pre-booked any excursions.
Yeah, our Medenhall Glacier Express. Shall we look at that?
Yeah, that was the third.
Yeah.
And due to visibility, some won't be running either. However, we get tickets for a bus trip around Juneau and onto the Mendenhall Glacier and the spectacular Nugget Falls. We have an hour or so to kill before our trip, and of course, the #1 tourist venue in Juneau has got to be the Red Dog Saloon. A place full of character, and no doubt in the past full of many characters, with lots of atmosphere and a variety of stuffed animals. This sign reads, "If our food and drinks and service aren't up to your standards, please lower your standards." Love it. Testimony to the amount of annual rainfall in Juneau is that many buildings, particularly the shops, have awnings over the pavements. Waiting for our bus under shelter, the Golden Belt tram is descending from Mount Roberts. Fab views from up there, no doubt, but maybe not today. That's our tub over there. This life-size bronze statue of a breaching humpback whale celebrates the 50th anniversary of Alaska's statehood. It looks even more spectacular when jets of water surround it. Sadly though, not today. Nearby, a spectacular totem pole. Then we hop on the bus for a 20-minute drive to the Mendenhall Glacier in the Tongass National Forest. The visitor centre has records showing just how much the glacier has receded in recent years. Now, as the rain has eased off, we hike down to see Nugget Falls. Just a 1-mile hike.
This reminds me a little bit of Dartmoor. To be honest. Yeah.
Another bear sign warning you not to feed or pet them unless you want to end up like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Revenant.
There be bears. We're heading to the Nugget Falls at the Mendenhall Glacier. The rain has eased off somewhat since we've been in Juneau, thank goodness. Wow, I can see the waterfall ahead. It looks massive. Somewhere is my wife. There she is.
Cover.
Oh dear.
See them just there.
Yes, I just saw it, yeah. Amazing. Wow, that is some falls.
Because of the spray, views of the glacier are not so good from down here. So I concentrate on the spectacular falls. Awesome. Known as Nugget Creek Falls, it's fed from Nugget Glacier into a creek before plunging 377 feet way down into Medenhall Lake. As the rain returns, we head back to the visitor centre before catching our bus back to Juneau. Oh, they were yummy. Time now to get out of the rain and do some more shopping before we return to our ship. Yep, has to be done. Well, I hope it's dry at Ketchikan tomorrow. She's laden down with t-shirts, sweatshirts, baseball caps for us and family. After dinner, it's up to the Sky Lounge for cocktails. So, see you in Ketchikan. Cheers.